Right, good day and welcome. Mr. Simons here. We're solving literal equations. Literally. Right, the literal equation, in short, is just the equation where we use letters as coefficients and or constant terms. So instead of writing 3, 4, we can put A, B, C, any letter there. So solve for x. There we have y equal ax plus q. So we want x on its own. So first, if I take q, get rid of it, I transpose it across, plus q would become negative q. Equal ax, right? We want x on its own, so we divide by the coefficient of a, so y minus q divided by a equal x, and they have solved the literal equation. Right, let's look at the next problem. Solve for y. So given ay minus p equal py plus x. So using the distributive law, a times y gives me ay, a times negative p gives me negative ap. P times y would give me py, p times x gives me px. Right, I need to solve for y, so I'm going to group all my y's together. So I take that across, ay minus py equal px plus ap. Right, take out the common factor, so there, if I take out y, I have a minus p, and there you should see p is a common factor. If I take out p, I'm left with x plus a. Right, we want y, so making y the subject formula, I divide by a minus p, so px plus a divided by a minus p, and therefore I solved for y. Right, let's look at the problem. Now generally we would say change the subject of the formula to the letter on the right. Right, so there, that's your momentum equation. You learn about momentum in grade 12 physics. P equals to m times v, v equal to, so we want to make v the subject of the formula, meaning we want v on its own. So I have m times v. First I need to get rid of m, so mv divided by m. What I do one side, I must do the other side, so p divided by m. M and m cancel, so I'm left with v. So my velocity equals my momentum divided by my mass, or p divided by m. Here in 3.2, in grade 11 physics, you're going to do, in grade 11 physics, you're going to learn about kinetic friction. So kinetic friction equals coefficient of kinetic friction, mu k, times the normal force n. They want me to make mu k the subject of the formula. So I want mu k on its own, so mu k n divided by n. What I do one side, I must do on the other side, so fk divided by n. N and n cancel, so I'm left with mu k. On the side, fk divided. Right, so if you're enjoying the lesson so far, please subscribe. Please like, share, and subscribe. More learners I can help, the happier I'll be. Right, so make h the subject of the formula. So given here, E equal to h, c over lambda. Right, so that's the energy of a photon equals Planck constant times the speed of light over wavelength. Right, so I want h, so first I'm going to get rid of the denominator by multiplying it away, so E times lambda equal h times c. I want h is the subject of the formula, so if I divide by c, E times lambda divided by c equal h. So this equation you'll use in physics this year still, in grade 10. For 3.4, gravity equal g times m divided by d squared. They want me to make d the subject of the formula. So again, multiply the denominator away, gd squared equal g times m. G times m divided by g, so I get d squared alone. And to get rid of d squared, I'm going to find the square root of d squared, which is plus minus square root gm divided by g. So those are literal equations. You're going to use it a lot in different subjects, and you must know how to manipulate them and make different items the subject of the formula. Right, wish you nothing but the best. Continue practicing. Practice makes perfect.